Hey guys, welcome to the virtual tour of 205 Kent Street, Unit B1. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath in Brookline. Super spacious. It's a garden level unit, but as you can see, it has real sized windows, so you get a ton of natural light. The current tenants kind of have this as a 3-bed setup, so that's why you'll see a bed and a curtain. But this is actually a really big living room. An open kitchen living room concept here. Now, for Brookline, you guys know how expensive it gets. To have a 2-bed, 1-bath with massive bedrooms for only $2,300 is such a steal. Heat and hot water is included. There's laundry facilities in the building. And to top it all off, it comes with a parking space. Again, tons of natural light, tons of closet space. Excellent deal. Available for July 1st.